itariki ya 24 y'ukwezi kwa gatanu, umwana w'imyaka 18 yafashe imbunda yerekeza ku ishuri rya Robb Elementary riherereye mu mujyi wa Uvalde muri Leta ya Texas, ni hano muri Amerika. Uyu niwo munsi mubi mu mateka y'abana babonye mugenzi wabo Salvador Ramos arekura urufaya rw'amasasu akabamishamo. Ntabwo ari umunsi mubi ku bana gusa babibonye, ababyeyi babuze abana babo nabo intimba n'agahinda ntibigira ingano. Ramos yishe arasha abana 19 n'abarimu babo babiri. Ni ukuvuga ko uwo munsi yahitanye abantu 21. Mbere gato amakuru avuga ko yari avuye iwabo asize irindi sasu mu gahanga ka nyirakuru. Icyumweru kimwe nyuma y'iri bara ryabaye ku ishuri Ribanza ryo mu mujyi wa Uvalde ho muri Texas, umwe mu bahasize ubuzima yasomewe igitambo cya misa yo kumuherekeza ku kiliziya y'abagatolika yitwa Sacred Heart Roman. Mu minsi yagiye ikurikiraho, imiryango y'abana n'abarimu yaherekeje ababo mu bihe bitandukanye. Imiryango y'ababuze ababo n'abandi benshi bari aho ntibahwemye kwereka polisi yo muri ako karere ko bayinenze ku buryo bugaragara. Bayishinja kuba itarahise itabara mu maguru mashya, aho bavuga ko byafashe isaha yose irenga kugira ngo bagere kuri iri shuri. Naho polisi hagereye ikaguma hanze aho kwinjira imbere aho Ramos yari ari. Uhagarariye ishami rya polisi muri aka gace, Steven McCrow, yemeye ko habayeho uburangare. Ubwo aya makuru yageraga ku bandi batuye muri uyu mujyi wa Uvalde, kuwa kabiri imitima ya benshi yarahagaze. Bumva ko igisigaye gukorwa ari ukunga ubumwe mu gahinda katagira ingano ariko kavanze n'umujinya. Nababwiye ko hari bamwe mu bana babonye ibi biba. Miah Cerrillo w'imyaka 11 wa gatatu yatanze ubuhamya imbere y'Inteko Ishinga amategeko ya Amerika. Mbere gato yuko tugera aho yasobanuye uko yarokotse, Cerrillo yabanje gusobanurira inteko ahantu hose Salvador Ramos yanyuze.
She went to go lock the door and he was in the hallway and they made eye contact. And then she went back in the room and she told us go hide. And then we went to go hide behind my teacher's desk and behind the backpacks. And then he shot the little window and then he went to the other classroom and then he went, there's a door between our classrooms and he went to there and shot my teacher and told my teacher good night and shot her in the head.
Amagambo yumvise Ramos avuga mbere yo kurasa umwarimu we, yaramusezeye aramubwira ngo good night, ubundi amurasa mu mutwe. Cerrillo yumvikanye avuga ko kugira ngo ava mu ishuri yari yihishe ari muzima, yaryamye hasi hafi y'umwana w'inshuti we wari umaze gushira mu mwuka, yisiga amaraso ye ahantu hose nawe yigira nk'uwapfuye.
He shot my friend that was next to me and I thought he was going to come back to the room, so I grabbed the blood and put it all over me. And
Cerrillo yabajijwe icyo yakoze nyuma yo kwisiga amaraso, asubiza ko yatuje akaruca akarumira, ubundi agafata telefone ya mwarimu we agahamagara polisi.
What did you do then when you put the blood on yourself?
just stayed quiet and then I got my teacher's phone and called 911.
Miah Cerrillo, ise wa Miah, nawe yumvikanye avuga kuri iri bara ryabaye ku ishuri umwana we yigagaho. Yumvikanye avuga ko umwana we atakiri uwo yari we mbere.
Hello, today I come because I could have lost my baby girl. She is not the same little girl that I used to play with, hang around with. and do everything.
Ntaho yasobanuye ko ashobora kuba yarabitewe n'ihahamuka ry'ibyo yabonye, ariko nta no gushidikanya guhari ko ibyo bishoboka. Miguel yarangije kuvuga yumvikanisha ko bisigaye biteye ubwoba kohereza abana ku ishuri kuko nta mutekano uhari, agasaba ko hari ikintu kigomba guhinduka.
Schools are not safe anymore. Something needs to really change.
Perezida Joe Biden wa Amerika ubwo yasuraga uyu mujyi uherereye mu isaha imwe uvuye ku mupaka wa Mexique muri weekend ishize, yamaganye ubwo bwicanyi avuga ko ari agahomamunwa.
Imagine being that little girl, that brave little girl in Uvalde, who smeared blood off her murdered friend's body onto her own face, to lie still among the corpses in her classroom and pretend she was dead in order to stay alive.
Hari hashize gusa ibyumweru bibiri habaye ubundi bwicanyi nk'ubu mu mujyi wa Buffalo muri Leta ya New York, abirabura 10 basiga ubuzima. Abanyamerika benshi bakomeje gusaba ko habaho ivugurura ry'itegeko rigenga imbunda muri Amerika. Ishyaka ry'abarepublikani hano muri Amerika ariko ryo ryemera ndetse rigashyigikira ko gutunga imbunda no kuyitwaza mu buryo bwo kwirindira umutekano ari ngombwa. Ibi rikabivuga rishingiye ku ngingo ya 2 iri mu itegeko nshinga rya Amerika. Miah Cerrillo yavuze ko atewe ubwoba ko ibi byabaye byakongera kuba ku ishuri aho yiga. Niko gusaba Congress ko ibi rwose bitakongera kuba ukundi. Tim Harris Shimwe, Ijwi ry'Amerika.